Yo, so today our video will include a snack machine model 3076 USI. So before we go get ready to put the machine in the location, we gotta restore paint job on this vending door. That's bad for business. Looking like that is bad for business. So before we can get to spray painting, the first thing we're gonna want to do is remove the push door. And to do so, you're gonna need a set of pliers. And I think it's about 4 to 5 bolts we're gonna remove. And we're gonna start on the left side of the machine. Our first one gonna be on the left side of the machine. If you are facing your machine, this bolt will be located on the far left, right on the outside of the bucket tray, where that snack drops. Make sure you secure the bolt and the washer off of that swing arm right there. Once you move that swing arm out of your way, you'll be able to access the remaining 5 screws on the inside of the prize bucket. Once you remove those 5 screws, you'll be able to remove that plate, and then you'll be able to access your last 3 bolts. Give me real fast. I'm gonna explain what I just did. Yeah, right there. So we just took the pan off for the that was holding the little push part down. Check it out. That was holding the little push part down right here. It was this little brace that was in front of it. Now I can unloosen these screws right here, and then we'll pull out that rod and we'll take out the push tray, and we'll re-spray paint that and make that look better and get that together. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. Take these off. These ain't even that tight. Just untwist. I think it's like 3 of these. Oh, it's a little nut on there too. Make sure you keep that together. And it's about 3 of them in there, so make sure you get all 3. Once we get them 3 out, we'll be able to. I just want to rock.
Lately I've been going through a lot and been an asshole. Never let a piece of pussy fuck up how my cash flow. Never been a snitching, you would never. Without a mask on, smoking till I'm past gone. Main thought this fucking is the one you keeping tabs on.
Get it busted for the
It's the only thing I brag on. Guess I gotta get this big enough for you to gag on.
See, they try to do you by putting it in the most awkward spot. That last one they dug in the corner, it's gonna definitely be a little doozy. Once you untighten it, it'll be a little bit easier. Fresh new coat of paint on there, so when we go put that in the location, that's bad for business. Looking like that is bad for business. Ain't nobody gonna want no machine in there, no matter how good the rest of that machine look. They ain't gonna want that machine in there if you got steel exposed on your push tray. So we're gonna go in and clean that up and get this one ready for our low.
20.
Counting my money slowly, just bought a rollie. I've been smoking so many stogies. I'm double dosing, don't confuse it. The burner on me, shoot through a person, I might spend it because I got it. Just know I earned it. I'm addicted to getting money. The tables turning, pockets big, they super healthy. Professor Sherman, shorty stunting. She said she want it, but still a virgin, bitch. I'm tasked, and I'm the man. I'm picture perfect. Counting my money slowly, just bought a rollie. I've been smoking so many stogies. I'm double dosing, don't confuse it. The burner on me, shoot through a person, I might spend it because I got it. Just know I earned it. I'm addicted to getting money. The table big, they super healthy. Professor Sherman, shorty stunting. She said she want it, but still a virgin, bitch. I'm tasked, and I'm the man. I'm picture perfect. My pack loud, boy, like turn the dial down. Bank account healthy, that's why I smile now. I got her on her knees, like putting towels down. I seen a little money, but counting piles now. Just bought a baby chop to tear the crowns down. Into Ninas with 30s, shit getting wild now. My money bracket changed, I had to transform. I knew my time was coming, I had to plan for it. Bust a wood down, I got the grams for it. Niggas won't beef, then go to Sam's for it. The 9 milli FM, it got some kickback. It might take one of your limbs and leave you mismatched. Counting my money slowly, just bought a rollie. I've been smoking so many stogies, I'm double dosing, don't confuse it. The burner on me, shoot through a person, I might spend it. Because I got it, just know I earned it. I'm addicted to getting money, the tables turning, pockets big. They super healthy, Professor Sherman, shorty stepping. She said she want it, but still a virgin, bitch, I'm tagged. And I'm the man, I'm picture perfect. Counting my money slowly, just bought a rollie. I've been smoking so many stogies, I'm double dosing, don't confuse it. The burner on me, shoot through a person, I might spend it. Because I got it, just know I earned it. I'm addicted to getting money, the tables turning, pockets big. They super healthy, Professor Sherman, shorty stepping. She said she want it, but still a virgin, bitch, I'm tasked. And I'm the man, I'm picture perfect. I get rowdy, drugs in my system, my vision cloudy, always rolling, still in the pen. Woke up in Cali, bitch, I'm strapped like Call of Duty. Mustang and Sally, I got money by every milli. Another tally, how you fresh, but kids dirty. That's super tacky, I put dots all on your face, just like some acne. Got a crib within the crib. I'm living fancy, I got bows on top of bows. Ain't talking dishes, she fuck me, and then the game. She double dipping, I can't trust them. I give them dick, but no commitment. I hop out, fresh head to toe. They know I'm drippy, bitch, I'm young and super smart. Got tunnel vision, I pull up, a suit and tie. Let's handle business, guaranteed. My money slowly, just bought a rollie. I've been smoking so many stogies, I'm double dosing, don't confuse it. The burner on me, shoot through a person, I might spend it. Because I got it, just know I earned it. I'm addicted to getting money, the tables turning, pockets big. They super healthy, Professor Sherman, shorty stunting. She said she want it, but still a virgin, bitch, I'm tasked. And I'm the man, I'm picture perfect. Counting my money slowly, just bought a rollie. I've been smoking so many stogies, I'm double dosing, don't confuse it. The burner on me, shoot through a person, I might spend it. Because I got it, just know I earned it. I'm addicted to getting money, the tables turning, pockets big. They super healthy, Professor Sherman, shorty stunting. She said she want it, but still a virgin, bitch, I'm tasked. And I'm the man, I'm picture perfect. My pack loud, boy, like turn the dial down. Bank account healthy, that's why I smile now. I got her on her knees, like putting towels down. I seen a little money, but counting piles now.
Finished.